Tonight's sunset video is at Bari Reef. In this video, you will see many sea creatures, including a group of slipper lobsters that we were very lucky to find. Our first encounter of the night is this sharp-tailed eel. Watch as he slides down the face of this rock. We found several very colorful parrotfish during this dive. They hide themselves in the reef like this guy is to stay safe from predators. I'm including these sea pearls in the video. They are a type of algae, and I'm told that they are the largest single-cell organism on the planet. Most of the basket stars you've seen in any of our previous videos have been orange in color. Here we found a black basket star. The sheer amount of brittle stars that come out at night make you question where they all hide and what else are you missing while you're looking at the reef during the day. Jaime found this spotted moray on the hunt and actually got to film him striking at this fish. Maybe our lights threw him off, but the fish does get to live to fight another day. Notice the long-spined sea urchin on the rock to the right of the moray. Jaime found another beautifully colored parrotfish. The video doesn't do it justice, but this crab was enormous, and it makes me wonder, where is he during the day? As opposed to the large crab we just saw, these banded coral shrimp are quite small, but they're always looking like they're ready for a fight with their claws out to the side. Even without eyes, brittle stars can sense light. They'll stay hidden during the day and they'll come out at night, but they will run from light the way this one is when you're trying to film them. Here's another great find by Jaime on this dive. There's multiple slipper lobsters. Sometimes people call them shovel-nosed lobsters. The blue around their eyes makes it look like they're wearing a blue eyeshadow. Look at the beautiful corals that these things get to call home. It wouldn't be a proper Bari Reef dive without a couple more basket stars fully extended in the night. Here is a peacock flounder showing off his blue rings in the camera light. Let us know if you enjoyed this night dive at Bari Reef by liking, sharing, commenting, or subscribing. And as always, thank you for watching.